Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the T-Mobile REVVL 8, a smartphone that promises premium features without the premium price tag. Let's see if it delivers. Segment 1. Design and display. First impressions? The REVVL 8 boasts a sleek design with an icy silver finish. Its 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display offers vibrant colors and smooth visuals, thanks to a 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're streaming videos or scrolling through social media, everything feels fluid and responsive. Segment 2. Performance. Under the hood, the REVVL 8 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, paired with 6 GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance for everyday tasks. Segment 3. Camera capabilities. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, which reduces blur and shake, especially in low-light conditions. The 13-megapixel front camera ensures sharp and clear selfies. Segment 4. Battery life and charging. Battery life is crucial, and the REVVL 8 doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery, it offers extended usage throughout the day. Plus, with 25-watt fast charging, you'll spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying your device. Cut to footage of the phone charging and usage stats. Segment 5. Software and features. Running on Android 15, the REVVL 8 provides a clean and user-friendly interface. It also supports eSIM technology, offering flexibility for users who prefer digital SIM cards. Segment 6. Pricing and deals. Now let's talk about value. The REVVL 8 is priced at $199.99, but with eligible plans, you can get it for $0 upfront. Metro by T-Mobile offers deals starting at $50 per month with autopay, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. Outro. To wrap up, the T-Mobile REVVL 8 offers impressive features at an accessible price point. If you're looking for a reliable smartphone without breaking the bank, this could be the one for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech insights. See you in the next video.